Go.
There's a lot of practical effects in the movie.
Fireballs and
What?
explosions and
There's a bear. You want the actors to be able to react to these surreal things. We wanted Radcliffe's wiener to move in real time. We literally built an animatronic wiener. You'd move a joystick and it would go exactly where the joystick went.
Old school animatronics, the way that they should be done.
You know, it's kind of like a three-person scene. Manny, Hank, and Boner.
Manny, I think your wang is guiding us home. It's magic.
And there's 7 billion people on the planet. You might be lucky enough to bump into the one person you want to spend the rest of your life with.